guys, it's Elise. I am coming with another episode of New York City Chronicles, and today I'm showing you guys a quick apartment tour, part 1. This is the apartment totally bare. I haven't moved anything in. I'll come back and do another video once everything's moved in and it's all decorated. My apartment is located about 35 minutes outside of Manhattan, so I'm a little bit further out than I wanted to be, but I had to live close to my job. But nevertheless, I'm still very excited to be here. I'm so lucky, and I'm ready to show you guys the apartment that I found. I got really lucky with this space. It's very similar to home, so keep watching. See you soon. Okay, so when you come in the front door, right over to your right is the kitchen. As you can see, it's small. It's just like a narrow, straight kitchen. But considering the size, it has a lot of cabinet space. Like, it has all the cabinets up here and down there. And then the same thing on this side, all those and those. So I have a really nice amount of space, even though it's a small kitchen. And I don't cook. I mean, I don't have a whole big old family, so I don't really need a humongous kitchen. So it definitely works for me. If I can find the light switch, there we go, there's the light. It has a dishwasher, it has a nice big stove and oven, and it came with the microwave, so I'm very happy with that. And it also has a window, so I'll probably put like a cute curtain or something up to try to jazz it up or whatever. My color for the kitchen is purple, so I might do something really cute in here. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I really like it. And then we swing back to the front door. To the left is this closet here. It's the hallway closet. It's big enough to walk in, so this is definitely gonna be for more clothes. I'm not gonna use it as a hallway closet. I'll probably get a coat tree and put it here, so if I have guests over, they can hang their coats out here, because I kind of need my closet space. Not to be selfish, but I'm moving from a 2-bedroom apartment back in Missouri to a 1, so I have a lot of stuff that I need to store. So that closet will most likely be my stuff, and then people come over, they can hang their stuff out there. But that's the hallway closet. We swing back around. Oh, okay, skip this bad boy. I got central air. Now, living in Missouri, I mean, duh, everybody has central air, but in New York City, it was really hard to come by. So I'm very excited that I was able to find an apartment with central air. So White Rogers, you're the bomb.com. Thumbs up to you. Swinging around, keep it moving. This is the living room area. It's really big. Like, you see all the space I have. I can actually keep all of my furniture. I was thinking I was gonna have to downsize quite a bit and end up doing like it's a little love seat or something, but I have a sectional couch, so I'm really excited to be able to keep that. So you swinging around, see, it's a lot of space. It has a big window. Very, very excited for the space that I do have. So swing it around, keep it moving. And this is the linen closet here. I might use part of this closet for linens, but again, I be needing to do other stuff, so we'll see what I store in these closets. Bathroom. That's the bathroom. That's the shower curtain they provided. I will obviously get a different one, but that's really nice of them to put a shower curtain in here, so it won't be, you know, I can't take a shower inside by a shower curtain, so that was nice of them. I really like this medicine cabinet. Oh, you can see me in it. But I like how each little door opens like that, so you don't have to open the whole thing. See, space in there. And of course, I love the lighting in the bathroom, as always. So that's that. Your under space. New toilet seat, yippee for me, and they put toilet paper in here. Go you. I want to paint the bathroom, but I don't know if I'm going to want to paint it back, so. Probably won't. Carbon monoxide alarm. That's nice. Smoke detector. Not that you care. Okay, and then this is my bedroom. I just realized there's no light in here, so I guess this switch works for the plug, so I have to plug a lamp into it. But this is the bedroom. Again, I'm so happy with the size of this room. I can fit my bed, I have a queen size bed, and I can do like a vanity or something over in this area and still have plenty of space. So even if I want to do like a little chair over here, or if I bring my dresser and my chest, I won't be able to do both, but I can definitely fit one or the other and a vanity. So I'm very happy with the size of this. I'm just, whoa. And this is a closet. It's not as big as I would like. That's why I said I'm gonna end up using the other closets. But it does go down this wall, whatever, and just slides. You probably can't see because it's dark in there. So again, that's the closet, and this is the bedroom again. Like I said, it's a really nice space, and I like how every room has a ton of outlets, like everywhere. So no matter how I set this room up, I don't have to worry about an outlet situation. Same thing in here. It's all outlets around everywhere. But that's it. That's my apartment. What do you guys think? I think I got really lucky with this place. I came in and someone had just moved out like the day before, and that's the only reason I even got this space. And I had to just wait for them to replace the carpet and paint, and I was in. So the timing was everything when it came to this one. I don't know if you can see through the trees over there. My apartment is like up on a hill, and through the trees, that's the Hudson. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty nice view. You gotta look past that cemetery right there to see the water, but yeah, you see all the like mountains and the water or whatever. I'm gonna walk back over that other way and one of these days and see what I can see around there, because it's a really nice looking view from here. But thank y'all for watching, like I said, and have a good night.